Tech's biggest showdown is heating up, and 2026 could change everything. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. As the new year begins, Meta and Apple are racing towards what insiders say may be their most important launches in years, with artificial intelligence now driving the future of gadgets. Both companies are gearing up to unveil devices that could reshape how people live, work, and connect. Meta is going all in on AI. CEO Mark Zuckerberg has made it clear that artificial intelligence is the company's next obsession. Meta is preparing a powerful new superintelligence lab with massive investments in computing power and advanced AI systems designed to scale fast. The goal is to be ready if AI takes a giant leap forward and use that to supercharge Meta's business. Meta's working on sleek new wearables, including a limited edition AI device called Malibu 2 and lighter VR headsets. One ultralight model, Puffin, is designed to feel more like everyday eyewear, and it'll run on Meta's Horizon system. Meanwhile, Apple is playing a longer game. Though the company has seen only modest changes recently, Apple's expected to launch a wave of new products across phones, wearables, and computers. Leaks point to new iPhones, upgraded iPads, fresh Macs, powered by new chips, smarter home devices, and maybe even a foldable iPhone. New Apple Watches are also part of the buzz. Whether all of this becomes reality or stays rumor, 2026 is ready to be a big year for the tech world. What are you most excited for? Tell us in the comments, like and share the video, subscribe to GadInsider, and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Meta's Connect 2025 event might have ended within an hour, but it was enough to shake up the smart glasses world completely. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub of all the tech news. Let's start with the showstopper, the long-awaited Meta Ray-Ban display, now with an actual screen, and it's not holding back. This $799 pair of specs comes with a full-color display, yes, color, letting you check messages, control music, preview photos, and even navigate through the city, all without touching your phone. With up to 6 hours of battery and 30 hours with the charging case, they're as practical as they are futuristic. Sure, they're somewhat bulkier than the previous Ray-Bans, but the early use has suggested that your comfort won't be compromised. And Meta wasn't done here. They paired the glasses with a new neural band, a sleek EMG wristband that reads subtle finger movements to control your specs. It has data from over 200,000 people and works right out of the box, like telekinesis, but nerdier. Excuse me, is this 2030 already? If you're not ready for the display version, the Gen 2 Ray-Bans have double the battery life and upgraded 3K Ultra HD video, and it starts at a price of $379. But wait, there's more. For the athletes, there's Oakley Vanguard. Built with Meta's loudest speakers yet and optimized for outdoor performance, they sync with Garmin and Strava for real-time fitness updates. Auto capture even films your highs, like reaching a new elevation or hitting a personal best. Whether you're fashion-forward, fitness freak, or just want to live in the future, Meta's new wave of AI glasses is coming for your face on September 30th. So, are you excited for its launch? Comment down below and give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Best 5 Apple Intelligence features to improve productivity of iPhone. Apple Intelligence, an AI platform developed by Apple, aims to redefine the way people use and interact with iPhones when iOS 18 officially launches later. Meanwhile, there have been various reports that hint at Apple Intelligence's launch a little bit later in an update. Well, if you're running an iOS 18.1 developer beta currently on an iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max, you can unlock new AI experiences. GadInsider has compiled all the Apple Intelligence features you need to try first on your phone. Smart Siri actions. Siri is receiving a big update with Apple Intelligence. Not only is that a new animation whenever the AI assistant is hailed on a compatible iPhone, but she responds in more natural and less robotic tone. Moreover, you can access the new Siri keyboard at any time by double tapping the bar at the bottom of the screen to type your questions and commands to Siri. To access the Siri keyboard, double tap on the bar at the bottom of the screen. Siri can be accessed the same way as before, either through a voice prompt with "Hey Siri" or "Siri" by long pressing the power button. Writing tools for different styles. Writing tools are accessible in every app by highlighting text and then proceeding to tap on the Writing Tools option that displays. Here's how to access writing tools with Apple Intelligence. Select the text you want to convert, then click on Writing Tools to bring up the feature. Choose different writing styles, from friendly, professional, or concise ones. At the bottom of the Writing Tools menu, you have options for summary, key points, list, and table for summarizing. Prioritize and summarize features in Mail. Apple Intelligence integrates a few noteworthy features that could satisfy you to go back to the Mail app on your iPhone. That's because you can try out the new Summarize feature in the app that takes those long emails and condenses them into an easy bite-sized summary that spotlights the most important stuff. When you open Mail and select an inbox, Apple Intelligence will show the priority message at the top of the list. Once you select an email, a menu button at the top right corner that you tap will perform the Summarize feature. A new pull-down menu appears with the summary. Summarize voice recordings and notes. Instead of typing notes from a presentation, you can record it within the Notes app on your iPhone and then summarize it. Once you've attached a voice recording in the Notes app, you can click on the recording where a button near the top lets you summarize it. There's a chat box icon near the lower left corner that allows you to switch to the transcription. Create memories with Photos app. This is one of the distant Apple Intelligence features, along with one of the most intuitive. Here's how to do it. Open the Photos app, then scroll down until you see the section for memories. Click on the Create button near it. A messaging box appears asking you to describe the memory, so write what you want and press Enter. You'll see an animation that shows you the memory after a few seconds. Save phone calls and notes. Sometimes discussions go far too long, which is where Apple Intelligence comes to lend a hand. You'll be able to record phone conversations, and Apple Intelligence will transcribe and summarize them in the Notes app. While in an active phone call, tap the Record Call icon in the upper left corner. A prompt appears indicating that the phone call will be recorded, which will also inform your caller. Once the phone call ends, it would automatically save the phone recording to the Notes app. What if your glasses could instantly tell you who's standing next to you? Sounds like sci-fi, but Meta's reportedly bringing facial recognition to their Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses. This could be a game changer or a privacy nightmare. Stick around to find out what's coming. Welcome to GadInsider, your front row seat to the wild world of tech. Today we're diving into Meta's rumored facial recognition feature for their smart glasses. Let's break it down. According to a hot report, Meta's working on a feature called Super Sensing for their Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses. Here's the deal. These glasses could scan faces around you and identify people by name, all powered by the glasses' live AI tech. Imagine walking into a room and your glasses whispering, "That's your old coworker Dave." Cool, right? But maybe a little creepy too. So how's this gonna work? The feature builds on the live AI already in Meta's smart glasses, which lets them process real-time data. It's codenamed Super Sensing internally, and it's said to be opt-in for glasses owners. That means you choose whether to turn it on. But here's the catch. People around you, they don't get a say if their faces are scanned. Right now, the glasses flash an LED when the camera's on, but it's unclear if there'll be any warning for facial recognition. That's raising some big questions. This tech could be huge. Picture networking events where your glasses ID everyone you meet, or reconnecting with someone whose name you forgot. Meta's betting on making life more convenient. But hold up, privacy is a massive concern. If someone's scanning your face without consent, that's a hard no for many. Plus, Meta's track record with data privacy isn't exactly spotless. Will they handle this responsibly? We'll have to wait and see. Meta hasn't officially confirmed this yet, so we're going off leaks for now. The feature is still in development, and there's no word on when or if it'll roll out. If it does, expect it to be exclusive to Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses, at least at first. The big question is, will users embrace this, or will privacy concerns shut it down? What do you think? Game changer or total overreach? Drop your take in the comments. That's the scoop on Meta's facial recognition plans. If you're curious about the future of tech, hit that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and tap the bell icon for more juicy updates.